tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello, welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to read Barney's Color Surprise. Barney is painting a surprise for you. There are lots of colors that's your special clue. Does anyone know what color Barney is? He's purple. Red. Barney's painting with red to start. Can you find the big red heart? There it is. Orange. Barney's painting with orange as he stands so tall. Can you touch the picture of the orange ball? Yes, we can. Yellow. Barney's painting with yellow for fun. Can you point to the bright yellow sun? Yes, we can. Green. Barney's painting with green, the color of his tummy. Can you find a food that's green and oh, so very yummy? There it is. It looks like it's a fruit. Pears, yum. Blue. Barney's painting with blue for you. Can you find the bright blue shoe? There it is. Purple. Barney's painting with purple, the color he likes best. Please find something purple that lives in a nest. I think it might be that purple bird. Look at the colors and try to name them too. Can you guess the big surprise Barney's made for you? A rainbow's what he's painted, and it's very pretty too. Barney wants to tell you, remember I love you. Surprise! Look who came to join us in this video today. It's Barney! It looks like he just came back from the thunderstorm outside. Now he's nice and cozy. It looks like he's gonna sing us a song.
Let's catch raindrops together. Standing outside with my mouth open wide.
Great singing, Barney. I'm sure everyone will enjoy it. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to your video. Goodbye!